We just got a helicopter.
Guys, we just stole the helicopter from a...
I just said that.
We stole the helicopter from a police. We shoot the guy out and then went down and we killed both of them. And we got the cops off us.
Wait, Dad, go to the Firefly Island. Go to Firefly Island. Dad, go down.
Where's the water?
Boy.
Mayday, he's
Oh,
falling
wow.
down.
Noonie.
You have the cops on you, Dad. Hey, you have the cops on you!
Dad, try to take down
Helicopter?
helicopter. Dad, turn around.
Look, you're stuck. Dad, I dare you to follow that plane. Follow that plane.
No, it's too far. Dad, just go. Dad, can you land on a building?
You have 6 stars, I think.
You're so loud.
Okay, you have 6 stars, Dad. 6 stars today.
6 stars. And if you know, right there, that's cops.
Then where the cops is not going.
Guys, this is the end of the video.
No, it ain't.
This is land on the top of the building. This is the end of the video. You guys can watch part 2. Watch part 2. So
Do the
hit the subscribe video button to never miss another video. Oh, and the like button if you like the video. Bye.